Yo, what's up peeps? Welcome back to another Dirty Berry show. It is Dirty Berry here, and for today's episode we're going to be talking about Movado featuring Nicki Minaj, Give It All To Me. So if you're a big Movado fan like I am, then you must know that Movado don't really pay much attention to theme verse them. His songs are focused around the melody of the chorus, the bridge, the hook. Movado don't business. So the song start off, I want you give it all to me. You know, that is kind of understandable. He might make him claim. Then he's like, he might tell the selector, turn up the sound. Party till the sun comes up, till the sun goes down. Okay, so establishing that you've been partying 24 hours of the day, you are a vampire because clearly your body full of a vigor and you can't sleep. Party during free nights time, turn up the sound. People at the second time in a less than 10 seconds the man said turn up the sound. Movado don't give a darn about what goes on in the verse. If him can repeat all one sentence 10 different times, he will just to take up space so him can finally rush to him chorus. Do you need a hearing aid? If the selector turn up the sound, then clearly him go drown out your voice. Bad girls all around, oh so round like an English pound. Like a dog may a roam, like a dog to a bone. No long talk like no phone. Really do Movado? Really? Oh god, Movado, where you get them ABC 1, 2, 3 lyrics here from? You have to big up your English and your literature teacher. Clearly you remember your similes because you use them up like enough rap here, so. Like a Benz with chrome, me have to make her my own. Alright, the one that kinda ish can pass. So yeah! Hooray! Chorus come now. Everybody know that this is what Movado have been waiting for all of his life. So girl, I want you give it all to me. Give it all to me. Girl, the way you a wine, you know say it groovy. Who uses that word anymore? Who even says groovy anymore? Them a pre, them a stare, them a watch like movie. You know Movado? You know what I think you'd be good at? You'd be good at working with PBS kids, building some nursery rhymes because these lyrics, they are catchable. Good God, man. You should work with Disney. Do something for the Little Mermaid soundtrack or something. You tell me about no time for your prove V. Yes, you know Movado is just inventing him words. So right about now, Nicki Minaj jump into the song and Nicki Minaj shows Movado how to construct a good, well-produced verse.
Tied my tubes up, tell him again, mud ya, toast is oozed up. I hit up Instagram, post some nudes up. Bonfire, rub it, up a wheelie. Caribbean girls run it, ass real.
So now Movado second verse come up. Badness check, intelligence check, walk past man them a broke them neck. Badness check, sexiness check, walk past man them a broke them neck. Style check, intelligence check. You think you're smart, don't you? You really think you're smart, right? Did you have to go and plagiarize from Tifa and Tommy Chin, Certified Diva?
Cash, nails, you have your regulars, heels, gallop.
Then he goes on to one of the most ridiculous parts of the song. Pandemonium when you step. WhatsApp message, me no use BBM. This part not even go with the groove of the song, I just don't. Movado, please may I beg you, I know your thing is your choruses, but good gosh, put like effort in the verse now Movado. Come on man, Movado man, golly god, oh god man. Oh god. Girl, you hotter than them, you have problem. If she a problem, why you pursue the girl for? Why you want her to give it up all to you for? If she is a problem, why you want to take on that by yourself, Movado? You just get little boss, why you got friend want to take on problem child woman for? You know, so right about now, me done with Movado part of the lyrics them and all of the thing them. Nicki Minaj was good, I love the song, but I forgot to mention some of the highlights of the video.
Highlight number 1.
It's nice to see all the Jamaican dancers in there. Big up Kiva, a long time you try, long time you are struggling. Over 100 videos and bare things, and this is the first international video you get. When you were in that video and I saw you bust out that Nalinga, that sweep it away, tears nearly come to my eye. You put so much power, you put so much passion into that one little move. I swear you were going to leave a wall in the ozone layer. And it's like Kiva, you were went in on hard. When you step into that video, I feel that your mind was just saying,
All my life I had to fight.
Highlight number 2.
the Nicki Minaj constipated whine in the hook of the song. I cannot get over it, but I love it her face. The girl that ufa foot you up in the ear and shudder the push up with her hand them. Big you up. And last but not least, Movado, you are those think that you are slick, but I saw it. Oh, and Movado in the video, I see have up one piece of what I don't know if it was Hennessy, if it was Syrah. I only can get something from brand Jamaica. Could you not be up in that video with a tin Alaska mackerel and rice? A Miss Birdie crackers? A true juice? A big Joe? That's it peeps, thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. If you liked it, share it, rewind and then play it. Also do subscribe, just please don't dislike it. Ooh.